If you've been looking to brighten up your porch, patio, garage, or shed, without running a single wire or paying an electrician hundreds of dollars, you've probably seen these. Today we're unboxing these solar outdoor wall lanterns. After we examine all of their features and charge it up, we'll show you how it installs in just a few minutes, test its performance, and see if they're actually worth your money. As we take a look at the box, we can first tell you that everything is pretty solid. The package itself is quite heavy, indicating that these are quality metal lamps, not cheap plastic ones. Let's get this thing open and see what you get. The first thing in the box is a product sheet, and underneath that, we see the lanterns are securely packed in styrofoam. We appreciate the durable packaging, ensuring nothing will break during shipping. The product sheet was just a single piece of paper, and the first side provides product specifications, package contents, and installation instructions. On the flip side, there are notices to let you know that since these lights are solar, it is best if they are exposed to direct sunlight to ensure full charging. In addition, you should keep the lights away from other sources of lighting at night, otherwise, it may not automatically turn on. Now let's take a look at the lights themselves. This particular kit contains two 11.5-inch tall sconces. However, if you need bigger ones, they also come in a 13-inch version. Now, with the full package out, we can lift up the top of the packaging to reveal the lanterns. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. As mentioned, these are heavy-duty lights, with rust-resistant metal frames and clear glass panels. They definitely feel solid. The lanterns are each individually wrapped in protective dust bags. So let's go over this light's features, as we unwrap and take a closer look at it. It has a built-in 4000 mAh battery, that should be able to deliver 8 to 12 hours of light, on a full charge. It includes a mounting plate, that can be used, with or without an outlet box. And inside each light fixture, is an included light bulb, protected in a box wrapped with bubble wrap. Pulling it out, we can get a closer look at the sconce. The lights look truly like high-end fixtures, and the solar panel on the top blends in nicely, almost unnoticeable. The quality build is designed to withstand rain, snow, humidity, heat, and everyday outdoor exposure. The open bottom makes changing bulbs easy, and the unit is just a tad over 4.5 inches wide and deep. Plenty of room to fit your hand. One thing to notice is there is a power switch inside that you have to switch to the on position before the unit will work. If you leave it off, the battery won't charge and the lights won't turn on at night. The switch is in a bit of an awkward location, as you cannot reach it with your hand if a bulb is in the unit, so we recommend you switch it on as soon as you get it, as it will have to be in that position to perform the initial charge of the battery anyway. And speaking of bulbs, that is what we are opening up next. The included bulb not only ensures you have everything you need to get up and running right out of the box, it is also a special, low-voltage bulb. Let's install it and see how it works. The bulb is a vintage-style Edison LED bulb, which looks great with this lamp. It screws in, similar to any household bulb. But it is important to note, a regular bulb will not work in this fixture. If you need a replacement, you need to search for a 3-volt, low-voltage, solar LED bulb. As we have the power switched off, now, we have to use a long thin item to reach it and turn it on. The light bulb then illuminates for a few seconds, to indicate it has power, and then it turns off, since we are in a bright room. Now we'll turn the room lights off, to simulate nighttime, and after a few seconds, you'll see the sconce turn on. Turning the room lights back on, to simulate morning, again after a few seconds, the sconce automatically turns off. So everything is working great. Finally, we'll turn the unit over, and get ready for the quick install. First, we unscrew the mounting bracket. There are two small screws, one on each side, that need to be unscrewed to fully remove the bracket. The bracket is designed to either mount on an existing outlet box if you are replacing an existing fixture, or as in our case, directly to a wall, as you do not actually wire it to any power. And again, this kit includes all of the hardware needed for either mounting option. There are 2 wood screws with sharp pointed ends. There is an extra small black screw and small washer used to fasten the light to the mounting bracket. And there are 2 machine screws if you are mounting to an existing outlet box. Finally, there are 2 white plastic drywall anchors that can be used with the wood screws to mount the light into drywall. The last thing we do before mounting is fully charge the battery. To do that, we first have to remove the protective film from the solar panel and ensure the power switch is in the on position. We then place it outside, in direct sunlight, for 6 to 8 hours. Unfortunately, there is no light or LED indicator to show you battery level, so we just left it out for the day. Now for the fastest part of this video, the installation. We are mounting it here, on our shed, to illuminate it at night. You just place the mounting bracket at the desired location, and then use the included wood screws to fasten it to the wall. Because these are completely solar powered, there is no need for a junction box, electrical wiring, or electrician required. Once the bracket is secure, it is as easy as placing the fixture on it, and using the 2 side screws to secure it to the mounting plate. Needless to say, installation is where these lights get top marks. It's definitely one of the biggest selling points. As you can see, you can quickly get them both up, in about 10 minutes. In addition, since they are solar, there will be no impact on your electrical bill. Just remember, if you are replacing an existing wired fixture, and screwing it onto an old junction box, just cap off the old wires, as these lights do not connect to them. Once secure to the mount, we just screw in the provided light bulb, and wait for nightfall. This automatic solar night lighting adds extra safety and security around the shed, completely risk-free without high-voltage wiring. And that is it. It turns on automatically at dusk, as you can see here, and stays on all night. We felt the light it produced was perfect. A warm, cozy, ambient glow. That being said, if you were expecting a bright illumination capability, these are not for you. So as we take one last look, a couple of things we would have liked to see. First, it would have been nice if it had a remote control, so it could also be a switched fixture. Second, having a motion detector option, to only turn on in the dark if there was motion, we feel would have not only been a great feature, but would extend battery life. But outside of that, we were pretty impressed with this kit. We did get these for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.